Physical and emotional health is very important.
Yeah.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh.
Acceptable.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man, I needed that.
You think?
BDSM. Ah! Ooh. So when I first came here, I didn't know that I had the leaky gut until he showed me on the x-rays, like these air pockets and stuff, and suggested I take like different supplements and stuff, and legumes,
Yes.
the lentils. He suggests I eat lentils and stuff, which I bought like a box of them.
With the vision challenges.
Yes, for my vision and my stomach and stuff like that. Because you wrote a book, right, about that. So
3 actually.
yes, and
But who's counting?
so once I started like eating a little bit better, I have noticed a difference with that. And I was having some lower back. I had an allergic reaction to something, and I sneezed like 20 times in a day. The next day, I could like barely walk. I was walking, but I was in so much pain. And he helped me literally. Like the next day I came, it hurt so good. I was in so much pain, but I was like, I know it's just gonna make me better. And within days following that, like I was actually in less pain and less pain. So I was like, I'm gonna keep coming. Like I'm actually getting better. Like my back stopped hurting, and every time I come, I told him earlier today, I went out with the girls, wore some heels. Maybe
Again.
and I maybe stumbled a little and hurt my back, and that's why I'm back.